You have become their crutch for complacency as they feed off the attention and validation you give them in their victimhood. They've become extremely complacent with wallowing in self-pity as you constantly stand over their shoulder ready to help. Then there's you, burdened with an emotional blind spot that keeps you from seeing that the person that you're aiming to help has actually turned into your emotional crutch. You also get a euphoric sense of virtue every time you try and help, while sidestepping people and problems in your own life that demand your attention. There's actually a term for this named helper's high. It was coined by an author and psychologist by the name of Alan Luce in the 1980s. Helper's high is that rush of feel-good chemicals in your brain that you get every single time you feel like that you're helping someone. Sometimes it's that high that you've become addicted to. It's crucial that you understand what kind of person you're dealing with, because that's what makes the difference between genuinely helping someone to get back on their feet versus engaging in a toxic relationship where two people use each other to feel good about themselves in their victimhood.